and you drive a Mark 1, you go and buy your testers to sort out the lights, the electrical. Then you come, the thing didn't have, okay, it's a little rusted, but it didn't have rust because it's new. Like you guys can see, that I bought. I inserted, it didn't work. After buying this and this, I wanted to test it. Now it works, and it didn't work. The joys of having a Mark 1. Still, I must sort out lights, because still I think it still doesn't have lights. So okay, you guys can see lights there. Okay, this one it's working, that one it's not working. I got them both brake lights to work. That's the problem with a cut harness in your car. Like you guys can see, everything it's cut and joined. I'm here at the spares place. I quickly want to check for new bulbs and extras for the Mark 1. So I'm quickly going to run inside and see. I will be back with you guys now again. I bought some extra goodies. So, some paint, a press button. Okay, here's the old one. Okay. Like you guys see, I bought brand new ones. So, but first we're going to sort out the Mark 1 and paint some stuff also. Yeah, they're cheap here. You will see. But like you guys can see, the weather, it's overcast. So, we will see how that's going. Like you guys can see, it's all connected now. The hazard, it's working, and the lights. So now it's almost legal. I must still sort out the reverse lights. What I've done, I bridged from this light to this light. Now I still need reverse lights. I need this holders. So then everything in the back will be 100, so yes.